Hi guys, my name is Lelen Singsit. Today I'm here with Boying and Susanna, and we are going to have a quiz competition on HIV and herpes. This is an uncomfortable topic, but it's an important one, so we are doing this. Before we start, here are some rules of the game. The winner of this quiz will win a prize of 3,000 rupees. The one with the highest correct answer will win. But if there is a draw, the winner will be decided by rock, paper, scissors, best of 3. So let's start. We will start with Boying. She will pick her own question. In 2019, Nagaland had the second highest adult HIV prevalence in India. True or false? False. Boying said false. Wrong.
It's true.
It's true.
I got home. I got home.
Now, Susanna's turn. According to NACO, how many people in India were living with HIV in the year 2019? 23 lakh or 2 lakh?
23.
23 lakh, correct.
Yeah.
In 2019, 23 lakh people in India had HIV.
Yes.
Now Boying's turn. In Nagaland, what percent of new HIV infection in the year 2019 was by the sexual route? 91% or 3%? 91. Okay, correct. Now Susanna's turn. In 2019, 1.45% of adults in Nagaland had HIV. True or false?
1.4. True.
True. Correct. Yes, true. Now Boying's turn.
Yeah.
For Boying, HIV can be prevented by vaccine. True or false?
False.
False. Okay, correct. HIV cannot be prevented by vaccine. Now, Susanna's turn. In USA, what percent of adults have oral herpes? 10% or 47%?
10%.
10%. Wrong. It's 47%. 47% in USA have oral herpes. For Boying, HIV can be transmitted by shaking hands and through air. True or false?
Yeah.
False. No? Okay. Correct.
That's what she feels.
Now Susanna's
He
turn.
does say it.
Susanna's question is, some people get oral herpes during childhood when they are kissed by aunties and uncles who have herpes. True or false?
False.
False. Wrong.
Like kiss in the sense cheeks or itu tadi siapa sih dulu?
Lips.
Oh dulu nggak sih bacanya
According.
Ah, duita wrong lah. And yours?
Wait. Let me clarify the question. Many children, when they are young, if someone who have herpes kiss the child also used to get herpes. Now Boying's turn. If there is saliva on a drinking glass, spoon or straw, you can get herpes if you use it soon after it is used by an infected person. True or false?
True.
True. Correct.
Yes, true.
Correct. Now Susanna's turn. What does World Health Organization recommends for those who have HIV? A. Take art therapy only when the person is sick, or continue to take art therapy for life.
For life.
For life, correct. So far, Boying got 4 correct answers. Susanna got 3 correct answers. But this is the last 2 questions. If Boying can get the answer correctly, she wins this competition.
Really? Mama naman laso. Hehehe.
For Boying, find the wrong option. HIV can spread through vaginal sex, oral sex, shaking hands, sharing needles.
Wrong option.
Pick the wrong option.
C, shaking hands.
This one is it.
Correct. You can't spread HIV by shaking hands. So
Just ask me this question,
okay,
please.
Boying wins, but let's ask Susanna our
Because-
final question. For Susanna, herpes can spread through kissing, contact with saliva, and sharing objects like toothbrush. True or false?
True.
True, na? Correct. The winner of this quiz is Boying. Hi guys, that's it for today's video. Like and subscribe for more, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.